Alright, so the first to-do statement that we encounter is in the ball class, and you're told to declare some fields. In fact, if you think about a ball, what does it need to know about itself? Well, it needs to know its position, so we're going to represent that with a horizontal coordinate and a vertical coordinate, just like you do in math, an x and a y position. It also needs to know its velocity in the x direction, so you can think of this as the run of rise over run, right? All we're doing is kind of defining how far it moves in the horizontal direction in any given time period or loop. And this is the velocity in the vertical, on the vertical axis. So how far up and down it moves during any given loop. And this is how big it is. And then we'll finally give we'll have a variable or an object that will store the ball's color. So I'm going to erase those. I know what they are, and so we're going to just write some fields. Now fields, variables, and objects only exist within the set of curly braces that in which they were created. And so the entire ball class will have access to these fields when we create them. So we're going to create a private int x, a private int y, private int x velocity, and a private int y velocity, and a private color object called ball color. So we have and then you're going to have to hover the mouse over color and import this class of objects into the class. That means just that we are acknowledging that we in fact are going to be using this library of tools called color, which allows us to create color objects and manipulate color. So you have to hover the mouse over that and just click import java.auth. Color. Actually, I can't remember which particular library it's part of. Yeah, Java auth color. And you don't need to know what this means. It just means that you're importing a set of tools that other people have created for you that you're saying, I'm going to use those. And that's all you have to do for the creation of the fields.